What's up, everyone? Tiger! Mm, 22 minutes now. They're still going. This is a long one. I've seen them as little as like 15 minutes, 22 minutes, 20 minutes. This is going 23 minutes now. This is one of the longer ones I've ever seen here in Stanford. Yeah, we've gone 23 minutes. Still haven't gotten to the finale yet. That was a big show. No. Okay, here's the finale. Here we go. It's the grand finale. Here it is. Yeah, 24 minutes in to start the grand finale. Let's see how long this goes now. Sending a lot of ordnance up there, a lot of shells. Lots of mortar shells going up. Grand finale, a lot of low stuff. A lot of low and medium height. High. Here's the high stuff. Whoa! Yeah! Alright. Those are some big shells. Yeah, yeah. Let's see the big shells. Come on. Into it. That's it. 2-minute grand finale. I guess that's it. That's it. So they went 25-minute show this year. 25-minute show with a 2-minute grand finale. 2.5 minutes. Okay, my footy cats, they survived that okay. They didn't get crazy. Alright, Tiger. You want to stay out here or you want to go inside? My bougie boo. I love you. What's up, kittens? Mama Pussycat, Tiger Pussycat. What's up, Tiger Kitty? I love you. You're so adorable. Yes, you are. I know you're not purring. I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry, he's still wagging his tail though at me. And he's still loving me to scratch his head. And kiss him and hug him and tell him I love him. I think he knows he's dying too. He knows he's dying. He thought I was gonna have him put down. I wasn't gonna do that to him. I don't want to do that to him. He could live, maybe, I don't know. He wants to live. I know he wants to live. The way he was screaming for me the other day. He didn't want me to leave him there. I'm sorry, Tiger. I think he's mad at me. That's why he's not purring, actually. Yeah. Alright.